Stop being such a champ. Never thought someone so little would be so much work, huh? You don't know how.
Say hi. Say hi. Oh, he waves. This is going over to your grandfather. I'm sending this over to as Kaylin, as your brother would say, to Papa. Say hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
There you go. The two boys. Oh. Give your brother a kiss.
Did you take a picture of that?
Yeah, I'm videotaping this. Jason!
He's like, what are you doing to me? Am I blocking his head?
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Hold on, wait.
Bye-bye.